Good morning, guys. So it's the 4th day in Johor Bahru. Hopefully it's the last day. Hopefully I can complete the car today. The last car, which is the most fucked up one. So hopefully everything goes smooth. So let me just arrive at my client's home, then I will show you the cinematic sequence of how the car looks and the damages, and then the process, and then the correction until the finishing. So stay tuned, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. guys, so that is the end of the CRV and everything went rather well. The car is in pretty bad shape to begin with, so being able to restore it until that level is already a fucking miracle. But well, I managed to do it, and although I took really long hours to complete the CRV, but yeah, it's finally done. But yeah, I would like to apologize first because I was so tired and I wasn't really focused, so I didn't really capture the finishing shots in LED. But you can see that it's really glossy right now. The surface is not perfect, not flawless, but I managed to restore at least 80% of the damages away, so it's looking pretty nice. The owner is super impressed that I was able to restore the car until that level, because he expected it to be not that jaw-dropping, not that insane. So yeah, so that is the end of day 4 in Johor Bahru. So I'm gonna stay in the hotel for the rest of the evening. So buy some food, maybe order some room service, and then we'll be checking out tomorrow morning, and we'll be traveling back to KL. So that ends the detailing marathon in Johor Bahru. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm really tired and I really need rest. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.